Welcome to the topic of graphing functions. A foundational method involves explaining how to graph functions by plotting points from a function table and connecting them. This starts with understanding the relationship between input values, independent variable, usually denoted as x, and output values, dependent variable, usually denoted as y. A simple linear function can be represented as y equals 2x plus 1. We create a function table to find corresponding y values for selected x values such as -1, 0, 1, and 2. The table for fx2x plus 1 with x equals -1, 0, 1, 2. Begin array h-line x and y, h-line -1 and -1, 0, 1, 1, and 3, 2, and 5, h-line end array. The points we get are -1, -1, 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 5. Next, we will plot these points on a Cartesian coordinate system. This helps visualize the relationship between x and y. After plotting points, we connect them with a straight line. This line represents the function described by y equals 2x plus 1. How would the graph of y equals x squared differ from y equals 2x plus 1? Understanding different types of functions deepens our grasp of graphing concepts prepared by plotting points and connecting them. Two critical concepts in graphing are the domain and range. The domain represents all possible x values, while the range represents all possible y values. This understanding enriches our graphing skills significantly. By mastering the process of plotting points and connecting them, we gain valuable insight into mathematical concepts. This foundational skill is crucial for visualizing relationships and solving problems. Thank you for learning. Thank you for watching.